everyone, welcome back. Today, we've got some groundbreaking news that's gonna shake the world of robotics. Are you ready for this? The world's first humanoid robot factory is set to open later this year. This isn't science fiction. It's happening in Salem, Oregon, thanks to a company called Agility Robotics. They're calling the factory RoboFab, and it's designed to mass produce up to 10,000 humanoid robots per year. That's right, 10,000 robots. Now, why is this a big deal? Well, this marks the beginning of the mass production of commercial humanoid robots. Imagine the applications: healthcare, logistics, you name it. Agility Robotics isn't new to innovation. They've already introduced a bipedal and headless robot named Digit, which was a game changer in legged movement and humanoid design. So, what do you think? Are we stepping into the future or opening Pandora's box? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more tech updates. Catch you in the next video.